Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
What are you doing tomorrow? We can use the present continuous for the future. I am meeting my friend tomorrow. She is visiting her family. We use going to for a plan or intention. I have an idea. I am going to watch a movie. What are you going to do? Some verbs are irregular in the past. They do not end in ed. For example, today I eat. Yesterday I ate. Today I go. Yesterday I went. To ask a question about the past, use did. Did you play yesterday? Yes, I did. Did she work yesterday? No, she didn't. Prepositions tell us where. The ball is on the box. The ball is in the box. The ball is under the box. On, in, under. Use some in positive sentences. I have some oranges. Use any for questions and negative sentences. Do you have any oranges? I don't have any. Some nouns are countable. 1 apple, 2 apples. Some are uncountable. Water, sugar, rice. We cannot count them with numbers. Ask how many for countable nouns. How many books? Ask how much for uncountable nouns. How much water? How much time? And adds information. But shows a contrast. So shows a result. It is sunny and warm. I am tired but happy. It is late, so I will go home. To show something belongs to you, say mine. The car is mine. To show it belongs to another person, say yours, his, or hers. The bike is yours.